So hi guys, so the recipe I'm going to share it with you. I'm some nice, delicious, sweet chicken wing with turned cornmeal in my own Jamaican style way. So I already clean up my chicken wings and wash it. So I'm going to season it now. I'm going to get it all of my chop. Season there. My garlic. My chicken season. My all-purpose season. Small amount of paprika. I'm going to put in my curry. This curry has salt inside of it, so I'm going to allow it to cook before I add any salt. I'm going to taste it and see if it wants any salt, because it has already made with all pimento seed, all different type of things inside of it. So I'm going to mix in the curry and all what I put on it. I'm going to put it away to marinate for 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and turn my cornmeal. So guys, the water is on for the cornmeal to turn, and I'm going to turn about a pound of cornmeal. And to make you have this nice and a dry cornmeal, turned cornmeal, this is the amount of water you have to use. I'm going to season it with scallion, put in a little piece of thyme, and then little nice it up to make my cornmeal taste nice. So guys, I'm going to put it in, allow it to stay there and cook for about 5 minutes. Then I put in my cornmeal. So guys, this is the way I cook my turned cornmeal. So look, I remove this water from it. A dish of hot water. So guys, when I put in the cornmeal and I'm going to turn it around, I'm going to add more water inside of it. So that is the way I cook my turned cornmeal. So when you see, I put on a pot of water, and when it's boiled for the 5 minutes, I take out back some. So when I pour in the cornmeal, I pour the hot water meantime and start mix around it. So you have a nice eating turned cornmeal. So guys, look how nice, and soft. So guys, when I mix in the cornmeal done, you're going to close it and make it cook for 5 minutes so that you can turn off your flame. Guys, look at the curry, very rich and nice. Gravy man. So guys, in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to turn off my flame. So guys, look. Gravy man. Imagine when I pour this at the cornmeal. Wow. The sweet stuff. So it's time for me to remove my flame.